back, and I'm back and doing what you wanted me to do. And I guess this is what God wanted me to do. I hope, and I pray, I'm sure naman, my husband, kahit nawala na siya, kung nakikita niya pa ako, if it's true that people still see people here, I don't know, sabi nila hindi na daw. Ikatutuwa niya to kasi ito yung dream niya na gawin ko. Ayaw niya na ako mag-soap. He wanted me to do this. Sabi niya, Chuchu, do this. Because you're good at it. You bless so many people. And kaya ka naging Miss D is because of your show. Dina, wala na tumatawag sa'yo ng Dina. People call you Miss D. Tumatak yan sa'yo. So that's what God ordained you to be. Do this. So nung nireflect ko yung buhay niya, sabi ko, daming nagawa ng asawa. Dami niyang natulungan. I'd like to do that too. But in my own way.
May episodes na gano'n. About your husband or how to...
Alam mo...
Or grief.
Episode about
siguro we'll have an episode about grief. Pero in the beginning, I'll be honest, when umiiyak ako, di ba? First episode, parang, I'm back! Tapos umiiyak ako. Naiiyak pa naman ako. Kasi yung pagsabi ko na I'm back, siya yung naaalala ko. Parang, okay, I grieve, but now I'm back. And I'm back and doing what you wanted me to do. And I guess this is what God wanted me to do. Parang, this is for my kids, not only for my kids, but for Him. And I believe that God chose this for me.
How has your concept of love changed since the passing of your
Teka, press muna yung mata ko. Sayang naman yung makeup ko.
Ayaw naman ng husband mong maging sad ka, diba? Kaya ako na niya pinag-show.
Pero noon kasi, hindi namin mahagad. Kaya nga nung una, sa first episode, sinabi ko, well, I'm sure you know kung ano nangyari sa akin. Recently, I was widowed. And then I changed the topic agad kasi hindi ko pa kaya. Naiiyak ako. Parang, maybe in the future, we'd like to tackle a topic about grief. But at the time na kaya ko na hindi ako umiiyak, yung talagang matter-of-factly, parang discussing it as a topic, matter-of-factly. Parang ayoko yung humahagulgul ako. In time, we'll discuss it.